Alright guys, welcome back to the XD universe. As you all know, this is part 2 of the channel because in the last video, Thunderman, also known as my buddy Lorenzo, wasn't in it. So as you can see, the whole Welding fam team is here on the world right now. There's me, Golden Wolf Boy, Galaxy Wolf Boy, and Thunderman right there. So we're about to do this battle royal for you guys right now. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is part 2 of the video, by the way. If you guys want to watch part 1, it's uploading to the channel right now. So go check it out when it's uploaded. So yeah, let's get right into it. Alright, so since I didn't do this in part 1, I'm going to do it in part 2. I got my whole Welding fam team in the building. What's good, guys? Alright, you guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? Yeah, I was doing the part 2, buddy, so, yeah, alright, anyways. Let's go. Alright. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, while we're loading in, we'll be right back. Alright guys, we're on the... Alright guys, we're on the Fortnite world. We got the whole team here, and we're about to do this right now. Alright, let's go. Let's go, guys. What the heck is happening right now? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's true. Yes, we can do that if we have time. So, yeah. Alright, guys. We're about to win. We got all 4 of us here, and this time, we ended up in 5th place in part 1 of the battle, but, since we're all 4 of us are here, we're gonna do this together, right, boys? He reminds us of that every single time. Alright, alright. Alright. Lorenzo, I'm just gonna ask this one time. I just wanna ask to be sure. Your mic's still working, right? Alright, man. Yeah, I believe me, I was lagging too yesterday. Dang, you killed someone already? That's what's up. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, jeez. Soldiers are back. I got him. I'm gonna fight him with my sword. Come on, man, die. Thank you. What? You didn't even drop a weapon for me? Are you serious? What the heck, dude? Yeah. Oh, here's one. Never mind. I found one. There we go. I'm good. Alright, I guess I'll open up this. Oh, wait. I can't open it. I need to get the bomb nunchucks. Oh, what? Are you serious right now? What the heck? Lorenzo, I swear, man. Lorenzo, I swear, man. You say the weirdest stuff, man. Come on now. Alright, okay. I see your emo dancing, but it's not time to emo dance, man. We got a battle to win. Come on. We got soldiers to fight. Oh, they're here, guys. Get them. Got you. Take that, buddy. Come on. Come on, soldiers. You want to mess with us? Let's go. Oh, damn. I'm almost dead. Get out of here. Oh, it's the wolf itself. Get him, guys, get him! Kill him! Kill him! Nice team up, Thunderman, let's go! Yeah! 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 He's almost dead! Get him! Kill him! Kill him! Let's go! Oh my gosh, guys, I survived. I'm at 22 health right now. Agreed. Guys, Thunderman is thinking. The shenanigans, man. The shenanigans. Alright. Justin. Hey, that was a good fight, man. You did awesome. And this man is leaving us after I congratulate him. Thanks for that. Hey, now, guys. I'm gonna heal you guys up real quick. There you go. Yeah, yeah. The only way if we take the bites is there's like 4 of them for us. Okay. Let's see. Okay, hey, does anyone need some more? Oh, never mind. You guys are full health of shield potions. Okay, I guess I need it. I'll just double check to see if you guys need any heals real quick. Yeah. Thank you, amigo. Hola, amigo. ¿Cómo estás? Perfect. Okay. Is everyone good? Like all healed up and stuff? Let's go, bro. Hey, Lorenzo. I remember our first Fortnite victory royal together with just the 2 of us with that skin and the Spider-Man skin. Like, the Web Warriors won, brother. Yeah, the Spider-Verse won. You remember that? Yeah, it was really crazy. Our first win together was the Spider... Oh, enough talking, man. Yeah, enough talking, bro. We got company. The soldiers are back. Let's take them out. Let's get them, guys. What's up, man? Yeah, you're going down, brother. Got him. Someone take out the driver. I got him. Yeah. Oh, I missed. Guys, don't let him escape. Get him, guys, get him. Take him out. Oh, he's dead? Oh, perfect, perfect. Alright, we're good. Guys, they're back. They're not dead. Yeah, you want to laugh, huh? You want to mess with me, boy? Come on. What up, soldier? Okay, is there any people attacking us, or is it just soldiers? Alright. Oh my gosh, that was an unstoppable battle. I love this. There's one right here, brother. Right here. This. Oh, sniper ammo. Let me see. Let me, No, I don't want any of that. There we go. Oh, you already got it for him? Damn, I was gonna help him out. Oh, he spotted someone. He's shooting up there. There's someone up there? Guys, we should follow him. Let's go. Let's go get him, boys. Good work, bros. Very good lookout. Let's win this again like old times. How many people How many people? 3, 2? How many? Alright, looks like you guys took him out. Good work. I got this guy. Let me get him. Yeah, he's not dead yet. I want some more, buddy. Hey, you take that gold? Thanks. I can't pick up anymore. I have too much. What do you mean? We went from Spider-Man 2099 to making the Green Goblin? What the heck? Oh, the Gold Goblin. Oh, okay. I mean, hey, to be fair, there is such thing as a Gold Goblin in the Marvel Universe. I read that in the comments. I also fought him in a Spider-Man game one time. Okay. Okay. Oh, there you guys are. Okay. Just had to make sure everyone was still okay. Alright, guys. Let's get up here. Let's get a better view from up here. Oh, good. Good eye. Alright, someone down there. He's mine. I got him. I got him. What's up, Blight? Hey, Chris, you stole my kill, man. I was about to kill him. What's wrong with you? Oh my gosh. Never mind, it's all good. We're a team. It's okay. Alright, should we stay up on this... Should we stay up on this hill, or should we, like, go somewhere else? Right now we're in the storm circle. Yeah. Chris, where are you going? Where in the world is Chris going? Dude, we should stay up here, man. The storm circle. We're literally in the storm circle right now. We get a better view from up here. I don't have a sniper, though, but, yeah. Lorenzo, you're gonna have to be our lookout, man, because I don't have a sniper. Okay, you guys can be our lookouts. I'll be, like, the lookout, too, but I'll destroy. Yeah, let's go, buddy. Yeah, what's up? What's up with it? Alright, you know what? I guess we need to have fun real quick. Yeah, let's have fun. Whoa, what's up? Oh. That's cool. Hey, alright, so what is it? What do you want to tell me, buddy? What's up? Really? That's awesome, man. Hey, I want to share some with you too, man. My dad's. I'm planning to get one maybe for my birthday this year. Yeah, I honestly I really want one, man. I've been playing on it, so yeah. Yeah, I'm thinking about maybe getting a sword or something. Okay, hey, let's focus on the mission though. We got to get out of here. All right, where are we heading to? All right, guys, to the island. Hey, Lorenzo, what kind of tattoos did you get, buddy? Yeah, well, what is it? What is on your forearm? That's what I'm asking. What? Oh, okay. Alright, guys, I think I saw someone over... Yeah, send me a picture later, man. I want to see what it looks like. We're the Spider-Verse. We're Spider-Man. We have web shooters. Hold up. Don't get in the car. Alright, so don't get in the car, man. We're about to go up on that island, but I believe I saw someone here. I think. See? I wasn't lying. What did I tell you? Hey, get back here. I ain't through with you yet. Yeah, you guys are feeling no one up. Not today. Oh my gosh, she got me. No. No. Please. Guys, Guys, heal me up, quick. I do not want to die. You guys saved my life again. Can I have that med kit if that's okay? Thanks. Before we go up into that island, let's everyone grab some weapons you need before we go fight Shogun again, the samurai. Yeah, make it quick, brother. We really want to go fight Shogun together. No, we will. We trust me. Me and Justin did this yesterday. If we go up there and defeat him real quick together as a team, we can glide out of here to the storm circle. All right, let's go, guys. Let's where? All right, where's the way up? Where is it? Oh. Chris, come on, man. Wait, where'd he go? And just like that, he's dead. See? What did I tell you? Alright, let's get out. Wait, hold up. Let me heal up real quick. Done. Alright, let's go. Yeah, alright guys, let's get out of here. Let's go. See, what did I tell you guys? Easy. And, okay, I need to ask you all a question. Yeah, quick question. How many times have we fought Shogun and won? Like, I lost count. Lorenzo, do you know? Yeah, we're a legendary team right here. What do you mean? Alright. By the way, while we're fighting Lorenzo, is this like your first tattoo you've gotten, or do you have more? Gotcha, okay. Just wanted to ask. But thanks for telling me about this, buddy. I'm really happy for you. That's awesome. Okay, alright, you guys are destroying these people over here. That's what's up. Oh, this guy's getting away. I got him. Oh, nope, never mind. He got him for me. Alright. Let's see. Assisting players. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I got shot too. Oh, come on. No, please. Please don't hit me. No, no. Please don't. Please don't. Yeah, did someone get our reboot cards? Chris, can you help us out, man? One of you? Lorenzo's like fighting the guys, but please get our reboot cards, please. Oh my gosh, no. Chris, it's up to you, man, please. Chris, can you heal Lorenzo up, please? Oh, gosh. Okay, maybe he's playing... Hold on, maybe he's playing smart right now. Oh, I like the way you're thinking, bro. Oh, yeah, wait until he runs away. Or just shoot him, too, but wait until he runs away, then you get our reboot cards. Then we can still win this. Chris, quickly get Lorenzo. Oh, he's dead. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Wait, there's a reboot van over there. He might still be able to make it. No, don't go to the storm. The reboot. Oh my. Quickly get to the reboot van and reboot us. Okay, can we still get the win for you guys if it's just us? Alright, well, we have to do what we have to do. Alright. Chris, Chris, reboot me real quick. Yeah, I like the way he's thinking. Oh, there he goes. He's going to the reboot van. Yeah, I don't know who's gonna reboot. Maybe we'll get lucky and reboot all of us, maybe? Oh my gosh. Oh no, come on. Oh my gosh, no. Maybe we might get lucky and he might... Maybe he might get lucky and he might win this for us. Oh, nice shot, bro. Keep it up, man. You got this. Guys, he's actually doing it. Oh, snap. Dude, it's okay. He put on one heck of a fight. Don't worry, guys. Let's ready up and try this again. We'll be right back, guys. Yeah. Yeah, if we have time, yes, for the video. But if not, we'll do it like off camera and stuff. Alright guys, we're back in. We got force play this time in part 2, but hopefully we can finally get a win in this one because this is nuts. Yeah, we're not gonna land over there. We land at the blue marker. Got it. Let's go. Why is that, brother? That is true, that's true. I like the way you think. I really like the way you think. Yeah, I don't know why my character keeps glitching every time we glide down. Like, not every time, but sometimes. Like, why is this always happening? He teleported behind you? What the heck? You seriously stole my stuff? Man, this man's stealing my stuff. I'm kidding. I had it first. Alright. We don't really need to fight over the weapons, brother. I'm just messing with you. That's yours. Alright, anyways. Hang on, buddy, we're coming. Are you finding soldiers in there again? Lorenzo, you might want to get over here, man. We need some backup. I got you, man. I'm right here. I'm right here, brother. Sorry. Yeah. Take that, buddy. Not today. Yeah, get launched, huh? Get out of here. Yeah, hey, it's okay though. We fought Godzilla before. That's true. Yes, we did become Godzilla. That was like the really cool part of this. Not again. Nice. All right. Yeah. Dude, how many of these soldier bosses are coming back? Ow! Bro, you gotta chill, my dog. Let's get the stuff. Let's go. Alright. Got this. Oh, yeah. Heal us up. Let's go. Alright. I can't pick up any more of this gold again. Yes. I don't have, oh, wait. There's the bat, though. I want one of those powerful weapons. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's get out of here. Does anyone have a car? Because I hear a car running. Yep. Guess we're driving. Chris, hop in the car, bro. Can you hop in the car? What's going on? What? Oh. Alright. Just follow us, buddy. I swear this car is a 4-person car. There's a seat right there. Yeah, it's okay. That is what it is. It's all good. Let's see, yeah, he's following us. We're good. Oh. Oh, I see some people right there. They're trying to escape. Yeah, they are. Yeah, let's just let them be. There. Wait. Someone's here already? Lorenzo, where are you, man? Oh, you just said they're here. They're here. Like, I thought you saw some people. Alright, let's just wait out here, man. I think, Justin and Chris are down there getting some stuff. Let's just, wait for them. Awesome, bro. That's awesome. Yeah, yes. You know what? I guess I'll take the car with you. Oh. Alright, you want to get in this time, buddy? Let's go. Okay, is he trying to hop in, or what is he doing? Okay, yeah, never mind. Let's just go. We gotta help him out. Dude, there's a bunch of people here. What's up, buddy? Want to fight? Got him. Oh gosh, I'm hit. I'm almost dead. 12 health. 12 health. Is that all of them? Are they dead? Where is he? Nope, he's right there. Oh, Chris got him. Let's go. Alright, I need some med kits. Alright, I'm behind this tree. I'm healing up real quick. Just want to let you guys know where I am, okay? Wait, you got some heals? Perfect. Surround us, man. Oh, yeah. Let's go. We need that. What? Thank you, man. Got this, got that, got my stuff. Yeah, I'm all set. Oh. Yeah, there's more heals over here. Let's get those real quick. Does anyone need them? Alright, everyone gather Alright, everyone gather around, please. So I can heal all of us up. Everyone meet over here. I want all of you to meet over here, please. Yeah, everyone stand right here. Alright, everyone here? Alright, sit still. Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to shoot my gun, sorry. Yeah, it happens to me all the time, too. Alright. Okay, does... yeah, I was about to say who's in the car. Oh my gosh, more people? Are you serious? Oh, someone's trying to reboot. Guys, stop him. He's trying to reboot. Oh, no, you don't. Oh, you want a baseball battle? Wait, did I kill him? Oh, yeah, I think I killed him. What just happened? I had a baseball battle with him and he just died. Wait, I don't know what happened. He went flying or... Oh, you shot him? Oh, okay, I thought he went flying. I was like, what the heck just happened? So I hit him in midair and you shot... Oh my... Oh, oh my gosh. Get back here, you. Get out of here. Oh, what a home run. A home run for me, buddy. Wait, who's rebooting? I hear a rebooting Wait, where is he? Dude, there's so many people around here. There's too many crowded. I don't even know where they are anymore. Let's go. All right. Is it shield potions or just a med kit? Oh, down here. Down here. Yeah, I gotta make this quick. I gotta get out of here. Get in, quick. Hurry, Justin, get in the car. Quick. Alright, Lorenzo, just drive. Get out of here. What's up, buddy? Got him. Yeah, we actually might. I told you, we're way better together. Yeah, I'm gonna pick up this med kit for me just in case. Okay, now all four of us are in the car. I don't know what this is, but... Yeah, our car's on low fuel. Oh, jeez, we're stuck. Oh... No, we're good. Wait, Oh, jeez. Let's go. I got this guy. What's up, Aquaman? Oh yeah, you did destroy today. someone down there. Oh, okay, you got him. Perfect. Let's go. Yeah, I need to replace my bat real quick. You heard the man. Get up. Let's go, guys. Dude, they're just coming everywhere. My goodness. Yep. Alright, guys. I think I hear them. I think they were that way. Where I'm standing on this. Hold on. Let me stand on this rock real quick. Yeah, where you stand on that. Never mind. He spotted them. Let's get him. Guys, let's go get him. Oh. Are those just soldiers? Oh, there he is. I'll get him. I got him. Got him. That was easy. Alright. Alright, storm's coming in. Oh, he dropped some ammo for you, buddy. Good work. Good work. Thanks, Chris. You're being really helpful. Thanks. Wait. Spotted another one. There they are. Ugh. Get out of here, man. Man, this guy took a while to kill. What the heck? Guys, we're on a roll so far. This is how Welding Fam does it. I mean, we killed him less than 5 seconds. And his health down was good, so hey, we're already here, why not? Oh, okay, I guess we're going up here. Sorry. Take him out, bros. Wow. Dude, this man knocked me off the edge. But hey, we defeated him once again. It's alright, he can have it. I got my favorite weapons, I'm good. Yeah, I'm full health, I'm good. At 79% on shield. Yeah, no time. Let's just get out of here. I'm good on shield. It's okay. Hey, it's okay, man. There's some people over there. We gotta take them out. On that hill. This is it, bros. Oh, come on. Are you serious? No. I'm out. I'm down. I should have not just ran in there. What was I thinking? Come on, bros. You got this. Come on, guys. You can do this. Yeah, I don't know either. Just play smarter, guys. I think they're leaving. If you guys can reboot me real quick, or one of you could while the other two fight the guy, the guys. Alright, well, okay, can you pick it up just in case? There is! There's one down there right next to you! Oh, no, no, Lorenzo's down. No, 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 please, please, please. No, not again, not again, please, not again. Come on, bro. Get out of here. Swim, bro, swim. Wait, Lorenzo, how did you get back? Let's go! Let's go, guys! Let's go! Justin, you just launched yourself into the storm. What the heck? Oh, guys, I got like 3 or 4 or 5 kills. I don't know, but guys, I died, but my buddy saved me once again. Cheers to the welding fam, bros. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna finish this video off maybe with a red team versus blue team or rocket launchers or something, but we'll be right back. Dude, let's go. The Spider-Verse versus the, let's see, no, I know it's the Spider-Verse, but, I guess the, okay, they're called the Wolf Brothers. What do we call ourselves? The XD Strikers, because you're a Thunderman? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, let's just go with Spider-Verse, because we're Spider-Man skins. Alright, hold up one second, buddy. Before I help you out, let me get these weapons. Alright. Oh, come on, no! Got him. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna return to lobby. Got the last kill. Yeah, alright, man. I'll be right back, alright? Yeah, I'll be right back. And offline. Alright, guys. Well, that's gonna wrap up today's video, part 2 of the video. So if you guys enjoyed, definitely go ahead and smash that like button right now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to subscribe to my buddy Golden 1.454's channel if you haven't already. Turn on my awesome notifications if you guys haven't already. I might have paused the video by accident during the fight, but just to let you know, I think the Wolf Bros won the red team versus blue team, or maybe we did. I don't know. But anyways, guys, it was a great video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, turn on my awesome notifications if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys. That's how XD does it. XD out.